Hi! In this video series, I want to show that everybody can create a building like this. My experiences, mistakes and advice coming up now. In this next step, I will complete the sides, laying the bricks in between the corners. For that, I will tension a string from one corner to the next, so I can align the bricks to it.
Dann die Ziegel genau nach dieser ausgerichtet und mit der Wasserwaage in die Horizontale gebracht zu setzen.
The first layer is nearly done now. Still missing are just some specially cut bricks around the pipes here on the outside and here in. Over there I have to begin what later should be the door frame. Before being able to work with a brick cutting machine like this somewhat acceptably, there may appear some difficulties. For example, A. No water running. Normally the blade operating is cooled by a jet of water from this hose up here. If this is not the case, you may have to turn this switch into the second position, activating the pump. Or open the hose by choosing the inline position of this valve. Or fill up the water supply if the machine is not provided with water from a pipe. Or there is something wrong with the pump, like it's getting no electricity, or the water level is too low, or the filter is clogged. B. The power current cable is wrongly pulled. This causes the blade to rotate in the wrong direction. The blade should, like seen here, always move downwards onto the table. You can reverse the polarity of such a power current quite easily, but of course you should know your stuff and be sure about what you're doing when working with electricity. First, open the jack by turning or removing some small screws in here. In any case, with power current you will find 5 lines, 3 of them being the phase conductors, in Austria usually colored brown, black and grey. Swapping 2 of them will give you a reverse direction of rotation. C. As you can see, the blade is not aligned with the edges of the brick. As seen here, the blade is inclined to the left, so the cut is not parallel, meaning that the table is out of square, so let's change that.
Also, Aufnahmetisch kalibrieren.
Check. better. Almost every time you will have to cut the last brick to fit into the gap, which in this case are unfortunately 24 centimeters while using 25 centimeter wide bricks. So yeah, 1 centimeter has to go.
Das sind leider genau 24 Zentimeter bei 25 Zentimeter breiten Ziegeln. Das heißt, 1 Zentimeter muss runter.
Filling gaps usually means having to cut a brick and then put mortar onto the contact face, because there is no tongue and groove joint existing anymore due to the cut. If the gap is smaller than approximately 3 to 5 centimeters, then it's sufficient to just fill it with mortar, which luckily has happened here.
Das ist zum Glück bei dieser langen Seite hier passiert. Und auch jetzt beim letzten Stein.
And also at this last gap right here, which I will finish now to then be done with the entire first row of bricks.
Ihm gefällt's, also.
He likes it, so I like it. Okay, the beginning is done. A big step for me, a small one though for humanity, but I'm very satisfied with how the first row worked out. Now I just hope that it's sufficiently accurate so I won't have problems building upon that.
Der Tisch hat einen Winkel eine zu, das wollte ich ausgleichen halt. Und wenn das dann da oben rutscht, weil das durchgesagelt ist, dann sagt der Ziegel zu und reibt die ganze Zeit am Sog blau und das packt es dann nicht mehr. Also ich weiß nicht, ob du 1 cm da wirklich runterbringst, aber da hat dann natürlich da alles ein.